What's up, viewers and subscribers? How you all doing? I hope all is well on your side, my beautiful people. As I see, it's a great day. Yeah, man. It's a nice, happy morning for me, my people. Up and alive, my people. Yeah, man. Can I say thanks to Almighty for another day of spearfishing adventure, my people. As I see, we're about to make it happen, my people. You know? Yeah, man. We're right at the ocean front, you know, my people about to go off tonight this morning. So much people been having problem asking why we catch so much barracuda, because basically them people need the most on our side, my people, you know. Yeah, man, and them are bringing the little income, you know. That's something they got, my people. Yeah, man, someone said just stick and stay tuned to your truly channel, my people. Out there go. Here. It's a young boy, but I want to go giant. As I go upstairs, I look at me see the big one there funny inside there, you know. Oh, I let it see bad. Hey, you can't look. So yeah, my people, yeah, forward back in, you know, out of the water, guys. Water never perfect out there today at all. You don't see the visibility, my people. So you know, we still give a thanks for we catch my peeps, you know, because you know we never put up nothing out there. Yeah, man, give Almighty God thanks. We look a few and put in our way. Yeah, my people. Yeah, man, so this I catch my people. Captain Spearfishing few little small one.
Yeah.
Like we say, we're gonna make a shallow water hunt this morning, my peeps. So that I captain little small amount. My small catch is same way my people, you know. Plus then 2 barrel, you know. One for captain and one for me, my people. Yeah man, the one that the captain. My little one this 14, 13 pound size, you know. Calvin, you know, find quite a few little small rice top, you know. Yeah. See them there? Yeah man, see it. So yeah, my people, I catch that, you know. So you know we are going to do the urgent, regular routine, you know, and get them clean up and now, guys, you know. Yeah man, so once I stick and stay. And I think we are going to do a little small catch and sell with them, you know. Yeah, we don't know, but we have some little order, so we don't think we are going to get no clips of that, you know, because you know some people not too like the video thing, you know. Yeah man, but we are going to show you the result of the way we are cleaning them up on the ending, you know my people? Yeah man.
No, yo. Big barrel, you know. Pretty. Losing it. Putting I peel and dash when I peel out of peel. There's peel cook and then give me back to put in the water.
Yeah, my people. See it? Man, the one I done clean up there now. Yeah, my people, so the fish them done clean up, you know, just see, hang them up, make them a drain off the people, you know. Yeah man, lovely string. It was a blessing, you know. Yeah man, to complete another epic adventure out there regardless. The water wasn't perfect the way we wanted it to, but we still make it out to find some fish, my people, as I see. Yeah man, so we done clean up the fish, you know, as I see. Man, lovely string of fish with people. See it? Yeah man. Nice string. See it? So we want some people just continue to stay tuned to this channel, you know, just stick and stay with people. Yeah man. And join up over in the next adventure with us with people. Yeah man. So we want to say bless up yourself and peace out with peeps. Yeah man.